So welcome back to another episode of Day by Day DBD. Debia one year tier, Debia one year see, Debia one year what I see. So today's episode, Ghana for 1 year break. You to know, more work hard. This face the country, no. More money, more lose God. More man work hard. More making sure say that hashtag face the country, no. Going on. Sabra be a president Tibiano, Nanado. Sabra be Tibiano in Fifret Tinity so de or the handkerchief Namnity Muani. Sabra Nimpa Bonnet twice she Nimpa Bomashi. What because the youth no money at break or money at break, Menkana, because be a Ghana to say Ghana economy. A ya jinsamu. A too much. A too much. COVID by some countries, you know. Omu bie omuska semu ma citizen as a mamufo no omu enjoy no Ghana de miana ye miam ainum miana ye miano manum okwa America sisia na America ya de ne ba ye no wagugu no mam se be ya omu wo manum no omu kwa ho kire bebre e won se Ghana no fine na nado e di no magu na kwan mu se omu be sie ska binum se in case of say a too much na jinsa mu kropo na Ghana de yankwa nyenya because country bia so aishi e hwan na ekobo obusia ndi na do no magu kwani so be sieska kakra bi se be ya some years na say ya dentin didi ma 3 years kropo na Ghana ne huntimi enchire bebre se ya de ni se entwa mu kropo na akofom kakra no enruba bia no e na mo be mia manu mu abra countries bi no ma yeden egu mainum countries bi no eden egu scam no Ghana de miana ye mia mainum the celebrities and as youth no wo Ghana no omo ani abriye pass say de omo asore omo daja so den a omo yeden omo putu omo like omo show omo de anas omo cancel bi say be ya president no anas a man leaders no omo behu situations are citizens no omo namu. Na me am say all these things no in favor omo anya ba bia dina no na mo ho kire omo no omo na ayeden in favor omo yankwa some of the celebrities Instagram some tweets bi no and say some Instagram some comments bi no ma some of the celebrities no bi and say the youth no omo Ghana no omo comment here wow some of the comments ni bi o ha etosumu na tachi akoma na now do they know say oh yeah youth social media set rated the so jina hode den o se aye ani no ma for dem refer due na bra ne mamufo de egu ho omuwu on Sunday sad message bi ankomo bia but outside the sun do antisa say wantisa panyin bi ewu ana say obrempom bi ewu say city bia oba betreti ai den asende ni pakrono so I message to see yanko Instagram some of the nipa oya de pa sadi say no like me bonaba so wanti agina pa ye afiodo make effort pa sa face the country no ye ka celebrity a owo kwanya na so platform a watima sorry agina so ye pa ye afiodo nko mi hu ni treating nko over more than 6 different traiter what treat here utun se na ni abri ye pa yanko some of the treat ni bia o Nissan treater authority straight to the Ghana leaders no. Listen, I say the children are the future, but they are learning on BF and drugs. Future no future leaders no. Omusua de ewo ai form any aboso eno omutiti esua de omuko school. Only they drinking water food by mud and animal faces. The same water the cattle drink are being drunk by the children who supposed to be the future. Usua enye na mwanom no. Na mwa edwalim omowura eno na nkran ye future leaders na omonom. Na yese ni weda anya future leader. Future leaders na ye di yese ma ani ku omo ho no. Some microphone so na eden ye ni amomo. So these are some of the tweets. Yanko another tweet to comedian warriors. Secondary and tweet yes no. Me de ye pa. I say listen, I say All the leaders in the country who beg for power are not humble again. They move in convoy and tinted glass, but blind them from seeing their own people tears. They don't feel us how much more do something to affect our life positivity. Comedian warriors are sema all can say. Leaders na yanka say vote more mono. Se si ane de omo da convoy mu. Ena omo glass no omo da omo yi ni nyina tinted glass. Enokre uhwe leaders na cars omo di dam na yi ni nyina tinted. Ntu no onu onhu street. Onhu amanfo bra omo bre. Onhu amanfo street omo da. Onhu omo tonu sugo okwan ho. Onhu obi a oso akaya yo ne ba se na tno oso akaya yo na odukotwa bills. Onhu omo twi truck. Onhu omo ton glasses e wo kwan ho. So onhu sa nkrofo ne bra omo bre nka omo bills ne nka ontum because ono no fa patro free nti omo to patro mu kura enka no na mo no mo wo street no ono be kwa adwuma obe fa car no no isu taxi a okono waba no ono de ondwene sa nipa no ho because any car no why ni tinted nti ona ma bonten kropo na obi hu no onhwe obi a onya na bi so opo obi akropo ahwe no e na comedian warrior so yeden e ka kere no no say hashtag face the country, so the leaders have to face the country. Yako another tweet so Nyaya, also we live in a country where we are supposed to pay physical cash before we enter to the emergency ward. Oh, there. It's true. And it will make sense here, but a country where say is so physical before say obitima o yale on world hospital. Obi yala odaho owu no. Obi a odaho say din so sini so ye no. Na busuafo nya mesetel ya omo hwe nipa no. Say nipa nda ho otia na yi no. Sa as this modern world baby san no me we asesi ko no. Nka sa die kura nka happen. A happen country a friend Ghana. As a whole country called Ghana, nka this cannot happen there because Osha Ghana the way you see the funny the way you know my city no enu ho kwanse nka this happen ewo sa country no. Yanko another tweet so yanko another tweet Geta Soy. Geta Soy say the fact that politicians use bags of rice, oil, milk and sugar to persuade voters in terms of elections should tell you how they see Ghanaians. Hashtag face the country. This guy is making sense. Election time oduru no na omode one bag no so kra no 1 bag of rice na 5 kilos so with oil and sugar ne milk no omode akoda da omo ena MPA buy ena minister buy wa bre aduan nti e beto ama na e be sei na nam ne modern word say no nko bi tin di aduan e da di pivot obi krapo mada obi akotena konwa so more than 4 years 8 years. Well now yako another comment so I say when the parliament say to increase their own salary, both minority and majority aside their differences understand it, but when it's development project it differs. Ask yourself, hashtag face the country. Yeah, this guy is making a lot of sense here because say eduru say painful leaders na MP ni ministers no na you know so duru tan so mo person mo increase mo salary ya and then they pass a law in the parliament obi ankasa both majority and minority ni nyina no nyina ya adwen ba ko no nyina atiase. But when it come to project when it come to development obonze ho na yebe cement ase yes say oboso na omode sa ni project and development corona on person yen na ajiegu. But when e ba say eduru omo salary increase adia eno do nyina e ya adwen ba ko. So after face the country, so the youth no money abriye pa yanko Twitter so some of the comments are amount for so a comment or Twitter so Kalije also say when a person I say one person you are MP, minister, head of the committee, You dey sitting allowance for all that aside. You dey demand increase in salary. Meanwhile, you don't pay for fuel, other stuff, and what is wrong with you? Hashtag face the country. This guy also said, MPs. Nipa bakumo, ono ye MP. Or your Minister of Food and Transport. Or your Minister of Road and Standing. Or your Minister of TNN. Sa nipa bakumo. Okita juma, big juma kwa or parliament okita more than 5. Sa nipa kron oji pay with each ajuma bi obeyebia o ajuma bi obeyebia no oji hu pay sa nipa kron na sanje sitting allowance o san tena parliament san kase yansa ne tuna katwia o wi asa nipa no san da convoy mu esan ne car glasses nyina tinted oti otima wu hu no sa nipa no o san se kase yansa ne increase ni salary. Meanwhile, ni teacher training for the nurse for Mala Wakropono, or Muntimimpia. Kwa hunyina Zumi Lion for Muntimimpia Moka. Oko hospitals like a CBM, best Kropono, or Munibia, or Monibehe Ayale for. Say the youth know, or Monia prepare the hashtag face the country, so air coso. Yanko another tweet from Michael Blackson. Only Michael Blackson, or a comedian, or a Ghanaian, or a comedian, or sign actor. Sanye producer, Sanye CEO of the America. Also created some treat to be and say very, very important. Listen, also houses in Ghana cost more than Atlanta, but average income less than what it Craig Head get on streets. Atlanta, Oko US houses say what Ghana CCR, ne rent kora ne boy dinsen houses ewo US. Now, Osam Koso Etrete, I'm so confused with what is going on in West Africa. If the average income is $100 to $200 per month, can you imagine? Say, hey, Ghana, you wanna Oko teachers for almost salary, police, fire service, all these services Nibiano, almost salary at the end of the month, you know. A year $100 to $200 a month. Also, omo houses or mutia hokan, even more than almost salary. This uncle for you, Libya, all inspectors a dear no somewhere, and your chrono no bebo abino. Chrono and no movable. Because a house no move rent no mutia and a base of mutia at the end of the mountain, more than almost salary. Ose oko US be make sure say o monthly salary a wo je no any o base a obetwia o be make sure say base ne rent a obetwia bia 25% of your salary a wo je ne every month. Oko US o wa na so ba British say every month bia wo twia o bills, but o make sure say o salary now be je every month bia why you 25% and the be twia o bills. But Oko Ghana is here now. O salary a woje no, woje more than obesa twa more than o monthly salary. Na sa nipa no pese de na obeye, o yapan mu nipa nya krono na obebo. Hashtag face the country. So the youth no money abriye pa no. Me expect to say President Nana Akufo-Addo ndo ya de wasadi ye ho pa. Me sure say definitely Oba reply with this hashtag going on social media. Me sure say definitely no. Oba be ma comments or one as Oba be reply. Until now Ghana for the youth so money abra or more can reply from the president. So Senator BSC no as usual. It's your boy Ajinko. Absolutely, definitely. Peace.